Did you know cows do not actually exist in the wild? Modern cows were completely human-made, bred over thousands of years from a now extinct wild species called the aurochs, which roamed Europe, Asia, and North Africa. These beasts were massive, aggressive, and nothing like the slow, gentle cows we see today. Ancient humans selectively bred the calmest, fattest, and most docile ones for food, milk, and labor, eventually creating an animal so domesticated it literally cannot survive on its own. Cows cannot even give birth without human help in many cases, and if all people disappeared, cows would likely go extinct. And here is the wildest part. There are over 1.5 billion cows alive right now, yet not a single one is truly natural. So if cows are entirely man-made, can they even be considered a real species anymore?